out. This is a very quick upper body workout, and this is toward training handstands and inversions actually, but also to train holding the amount of tension you need to really control your body as you move in space. This is going to be slow. I'm going to count it out. You can do it with me. And this shouldn't take any longer than about 10 minutes. Now, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a wall, because you're going to go upside down. You're going to need something for your feet to slide on for engaging your core, and a set of blocks or something that you can put behind your arms so that you know you're not going to bend your elbows and let the forearms go back. So you can watch this and see what works, and then you can find a lot of variations in your home, keep in mind. So just work things as best you can. So we're going to start this with the sliding exercises. So what I want you to do is find whatever you're going to slide your feet on, and use one each for each foot, and just keep your toes on whatever the sliders are, and go ahead and bring your feet all the way back. Now you're taking this into plank, shoulders over wrist, dig your fingertips down, and we're going to take this slow. So it's a 5 count forward and a 5 count back, and we'll do this 3 times. So lean your shoulders straight forward, look forward a little bit, and then just move from the legs. Pull your belly in, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the thighs toward your belly, still pressing your hands, and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Press back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do one more. Slide in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Slide it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set your knees down. Shake your hands out for a moment. And we're still going to slide, and this time it's going to be on the forearms. And the idea here is, rather than just tucking, you're going to try to press your butt up high into the air. So feet are still going to be on the sliders. I want you to bring your forearms down. Now the forearms can be parallel, or you can press the palms together, whatever keeps your elbows under control. Elbows are shoulder width. Now either way, go ahead and slide your feet back and bring your body into line. And we're going to count this the same. So pull it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thighs toward your belly. And slide it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your hips up in the air. Slide it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Come up onto your hands. Take a couple breaths. And this is supposed to feel like a lot, keep in mind. And just work the range you can. As long as you're feeling this and feeling the tension, you're doing just fine. We're going to do one more set, and this is going to be from plank. So on your hands with straight arms. The arms stay straight the whole time. So go ahead and bring your feet back, come into plank. And then again, you're going to bring your butt up into the air. So you're trying to bring this toward a forward fold. Go ahead, bend your knees and stand your toes. Let's bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Slide it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your knees down. Shake out your hands a little bit. And whatever your sliders are, go ahead and put those to the side. And then we're going to take this bent arm. So I've got a set of blocks here. You could use, I don't know, food cans, books, something, anything that's vertical that you can put behind your elbow. And this is going to tell you that your forearm is vertical, and that's what you want to maintain. So it's just something to let you know that you're not bending your elbows back, because you want to feel this in the shoulders. So the blocks or whatever you have are going to be set up about shoulder width. Set your hands down. You can always rotate your fingers out. Keep in mind, we're going to start this from all fours. So just let your forearms lightly touch the blocks, and at no point, don't let the elbows press back on the blocks. So just keep them as they are. And then press in your hands. Keep your spine lifted, shoulder blades spread apart. Lean forward, look forward a little bit. And same thing, we're going to count this down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No lower than halfway. Hold here. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows pulled in. Press back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Lean your shoulders forward and then bend the elbows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Press back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now the blocks are going to stay here. We're going to bring this into plank, and this time we're just going to lower a little bit. I just want you to bring it down a couple inches and hold. So step your feet back, bring your body into line, look forward. Now lean the shoulders forward, and then bend to the elbows and just come down a couple inches. Keep the elbows pulled in, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press back up. Now again like that. Shoulders forward. Bend the elbows, come down just a couple inches. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press back up. One more time like that. Shift your shoulders forward. Bend the elbows just a little bit. Lower a couple inches. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press back up. Set your knees down and just take a couple breaths. Now we're going to do this one more time, and we're going to lower and then lift, and this is going to come basically into a Chaturanga push-up where you're just lowering toward halfway. Now pause at the bottom, keep your elbows pulled in, keep your core braced. You don't want to arch your spine, you want to keep everything just pulled in and keep it tense. So go ahead, set up your hands again. One more set, step your feet back. Look forward a little bit, lean your shoulders forward. All right, let's bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, no lower than halfway. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more like that. Shoulders forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Press back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Shoulders forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Press back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, set your knees down. Shake your hands out just a bit. And then go ahead and put the blocks to the side. And we're going to take this upside down. So this is just going to be 3 times, bringing this up into a wall hold. So belly facing in. You can be at an angle away from the wall as long as your body stays in line, or you can come up to vertical. It's belly in. Nothing touches the wall except for your feet and maybe your nose or your forehead if you're vertical. And you're going to be further out otherwise. At any point, you should be able to look up and see your feet. Now we're going to do this 3 times, and I'm going to count it down from 25. We'll take a little break, shake out your hands a little bit, and then we'll bring it back up. And I'm going to count relatively fast. It's going to be about 15 seconds with the hold upside down. Now while you're holding, be sure you're pressing up from the shoulders, so the shoulders should be moving up toward your ears, or you should feel your ears moving in toward the shoulders one way or the other. And keep your belly pulled in, keep the core engaged. Come down lightly, so don't crash land, just set your feet down, all right? So make this smooth as you take it back and forth. So let's take the first one. Hands down, walk your feet up the wall. And now, if you're diagonal, stay like this, you should be able to see your feet. If you can take it in closer, bring it in as close as you're comfortable with. Now, nothing touches the wall except for your feet, maybe some part of your face. And hold here, press into the floor. So 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's bring it down and come down light. Take a breath. I know that's a lot. If you need to take a longer break, feel free. But I want to take it back up because I don't want to take too much time here. So go ahead and walk this up. And again, you can be diagonal as long as you can see your feet, or walk this in and get close to vertical, whatever you like. Nothing touches the wall except from your feet and maybe some part of your head. Press into the floor, lift from the shoulders, and then 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20,
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's bring it back up and come down.
And again, try to be graceful as you go in and out. Take a couple breaths. And you can always roll out your wrists. You can stretch out your hands a little bit. I know this is a lot if you're not used to it. And again, if you need a longer break, feel free, but we're going to take it back up one more time, and then we're done. So all the way up to the wall.
And again, you should be able to see your feet at any time. Press from the shoulders, stay lifted. And then 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's bring it down. Come down with some grace.
And that is it. And I would recommend doing this at least 3 days a week. And you can always do things more, but try to find some minimum where you're coming into this with some frequency. You don't have to kill yourself, but pay attention to what you're doing, engage as much tension as you can. And I hope this helps.